physics problems one by one. So here is a problem. As always, read it, maybe once, maybe twice, and then pause the video and try to solve it yourself. And still talking about forces, and let's modify the previous problem. Previous problem we had mg, we had n, and we have F friction. And this time we will be pushing our body with the hand up. So we will be pushing with the force F. This is some F that we apply. And so there would be three bodies that were interacting. The first would be gravity, the next would be normal reaction and friction, and then there would be force F that we are pushing. That's all. There is maybe only one little detail that they may tell us that the body is going up. And if the body is going up, F friction would be directed this way. Because the body is sliding up, because we're pulling it a little bit towards the incline, and so we're pushing it up. I'm not going to solve this problem. This is for the second law of motion, and I don't want to put all eggs in one basket. But for the time being, all I want to be able to do is to determine the vectors, to determine the forces, and all of those are vectors. And we will be dealing with this later on, how we will be adding this and writing second law of motion, and we'll be doing it in the projections, and how we will be introducing our axis. This all a little bit ahead in the next playlist for second law of motion. And this problem we will be discussing there in details. But right now I want you to get used to the concept of determining forces. It won't ban you on the own with the problems for second law of motion. The prerequisite is to determine forces. And to find the force, ask yourself, I repeat it many times, but that's the only way to bring it home. So, to find the first force, ask yourself whom the body is interacting. With the Earth's gravity, with incline, and there are typically two forces, normal and friction. And also we're pushing the body now. And I will do a couple more examples in this playlist. So if you like, if you want to see those examples, subscribe and bell. And if you have your own examples, put them in the comment section. Thank you.